Greetings everyone, in this tutorial we will discuss how to make height of all items in a row the height of the tallest one. Let's get started. So here we got a row with all items at different heights. Inside said content we got a box with a composable scrollable row. When we look inside the scrollable row, it is just a normal row. We'll fix that, gotta make it scrollable. The content of the row is row item repeated 4 times. The row item is taken two parameters. One is a default modifier, the other one is the value we are getting from repeat function plus 1. This row item is a surface with column inside. Inside column there is text repeated according to the text count that we are passing, and we also have a button. First let's make the row scrollable. So modifier dot horizontal scroll with remember scroll state as parameter. Let's run it. Okay, now the row is scrollable. Now we need to make every item the same height. To do that, we will set fill max height. Now everything will take full size, but this is not what we want. What we have to do here is we need to limit the height of the parent, that is the scrollable row, to the height of the tallest item. To do that, we need to call a modifier dot height with intrinsic size dot max. What this does is it limits the size of the row, that is our scrollable row, to the maximum height of the tallest one. Now when we run, we have all items matching the height of the tallest item. This is not perfect yet. We need to push down the button to the bottom to make it look good. So inside the row item, between the text and the button, we should put a spacer with weight 1F. That's it. Now it's working as intended. Thanks for watching. I'll put a GitHub link to this project in description.